The fight for women's equality in the United States wasn't just Ruth Bader Ginsburg's life's work. She lived the struggle.
She saw injustice in the world. She fought it. And she did so while ascending to the highest court in the country, but very much staying herself.
Ginsburg was born in Depression-era Brooklyn to Jewish immigrants. She decided at Cornell University she wanted to be a lawyer.
My family had grave misgivings because who wanted to hire a lady lawyer in those days?
Ginsburg was one of 9 women at Harvard Law School in a class of 500. She studied alongside her husband, Martin.
We were best friends, and he was the first guy I had ever dated who cared that I had a brain.
When her husband was sick with cancer, Ruth attended both of their classes and cared for their baby daughter. She graduated top of her class, but firms wouldn't hire her. After 41 rejections, she turned to teaching.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court.
In the 1970s, as a lawyer for the American Civil Liberties Union, Ginsburg argued 6 cases before the Supreme Court, challenging sex-based discrimination in the law. She won 5 of them, changing the legal landscape for American women. An appointment to the D.C. Appeals Court led to the Supreme Court.
I am proud to nominate for Associate Justice of the Supreme Court, Judge Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
As the court moved to the right, Ginsburg became known for reading her sharp, scathing dissents from the bench. Her closest friend was her ideological opposite. She and conservative Justice Antonin Scalia shared a love of good opera and good argument. In 2013, a law student started this blog, calling Ginsburg Notorious RBG, a play on the rapper Notorious B.I.G. It stuck.
There she is, also known as the Notorious RBG.
Despite the worship, there was pressure on Ginsburg to retire before the end of the Obama presidency so that she could be replaced with another liberal justice. She didn't. During the 2016 campaign, Ginsburg was openly critical of Donald Trump and later apologized. With his election, Ginsburg's status as a hero of the left escalated. There were films, a documentary,
the closest thing to a superhero I know,
and a Hollywood feature.
What did you say your name was?
Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
The 2-time cancer survivor even took her workout routine to late-night TV.
I'm cramping and I'm working out with an 85-year-old woman.
Underlying it all, concern from the left that the tiny woman who changed so much would not survive the Trump presidency. Those fears were realized today. Lindsay Duncombe, CBC News, Washington.